Hello everybody, I just got these Recaro seat belt covers for my Volkswagen Jetta 2005, and I'm gonna open them right now, and they have no reviews, so I bought them off eBay and I'm gonna see how they work out. So I'm just gonna open them, and this is what they look like. They're very soft. And they have like Velcro on the inside. So I'm gonna just try to take this off. And I'm using one hand, so it's kind of hard. I'm gonna put these on here, my seat belt, and I have Recaro Seat, so it goes with my seat belt. And I'm just gonna set this down a little bit and put these on here. So this is what they look like. They're very nice, and I'm gonna put the other one on there, and then yeah, so I hope you guys like this, and this is what they look like.